Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is signed in and iCloud contacts is turned on. This ensures the data source is accessible. Once done, inspect iCloud backups and note the most recent backup date. You will restore that snapshot. Make sure your iPhone is on a stable Wi-Fi network and plugged in or above 50% battery to avoid interruptions. Now, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. Toggle contacts, off then back on only if you see duplicates or sync errors. You now move to iCloud. Calm on a computer because the only way is to use the archive restore. Sign in with your exact Apple ID, then open Account Settings and find Advanced, Restore Contacts. Select the archive that matches the backup date you noted earlier. This archive contains the contact's snapshot. When you click Restore, iCloud merges that archive back into your account. Make sure you stay signed in on your iPhone. The restored contacts will sync automatically to your device after a few minutes. Finish by opening contacts on your iPhone and pulling down to refresh. Verify a few key entries to confirm the restore. If some contacts are still missing, toggle iCloud contacts off and on and wait several minutes for resync. This forces a fresh download. If problems persist, you can restore the entire device from the iCloud backup you noted, Settings, General, Reset, Erase, and then restore from iCloud backup. One troubleshooting tip: if sync stalls, sign out and back into your Apple ID, then repeat the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.